This is our DS1200, we're up to P7S machine now, the industry-leading double stuffing machine. Quite simply, this machine has revolutionised the meat stuffing operation into netting, and these are used in over 100 sites right across the world. The operator simply places the meat in one side, and a second operator stands at this end of the machine to cut the netting. The cycle is started simply by sliding the lid across from one side to the other. And what makes this machine so fast is that while the machine is stuffing this side, the operator here is loading the opposite side. So the operator here is working continuously, loading and moving the lid, loading and moving the lid. And the person who's cutting is simply going from one tube to the other, cutting the net and releasing the joint each cycle. We make these to fit all tube sizes from 70mm up to 250. To change the tube size or to clean the machine, the entire chamber door opens and the chambers simply lift out of the machine, ready for a different size one to be put in or to be cleaned. When the netting itself needs changed, tubes simply slide off the machine and a new one comes off the net loader and slides straight back on. One of the features that makes this machine unique is the amount of netting we get on it. So on a conventional manual stuffing tube, which is about 460mm long, we get about 25 meters of net. With these tubes, these are 600 long, so they require the machine to do the stuffing. So on these, we get about 50 meters of net. And because we have two tubes on the machine, we've got 100 meters on the system. So for every 1,000 meters of net, with a manual system, you would need to stop 40 times. So that's the 25 meters into the 1,000. Because with this, we've got 100 meters on the system, you're only needing to stop 10 times per 1,000 meters. So that if the stop, let's say, takes 2 minutes, so for every 1,000 meters with this machine, you've generated 2 lots of 30 minutes, so an hour. Some more features that make these machines just the industry standard. The entire safety cabinet is held behind this door, which is sealed. All the electronics are mounted within this polycarbonate enclosure, and should anything in here need replaced, we can simply send an entire cabinet, and then these are connected into the machine with these easily removable, all labelled, numbered plugs, and that's the same both sides. So we can then analyse any faults here and provide a second-to-none backup service. We have a visual representation on the side of the machine that lets us know when the machine is ready to operate. So you'll see here it's entirely in green, and then when I open any of the safety guards, the section that is open becomes red. All of the information regarding the machine and all of its settings can be altered using this HMI, or human-machine interface. We have 5 pages. So the first one is safety. So this lets us have the immediate visual check to see all the safety guards are correctly in place. In the status section, we can see what position the machine is in its cycle, and if there's any issues and it's not getting to the correct part of its cycle, we can diagnose that here very easily. All the pneumatic components are housed inside this easily removable hood. These clamps are simply removed either side of the machine. And the hood slides back into its open position. We even have fitted a second drain here in case any moisture leaks off that front edge If that gets into the machine here, that drains straight down this tube and right out the bottom of the machine. On the DS1200P7s, the pneumatics are held in this cabinet. We use the Festo CPX valves. On this side, it runs the left-hand side of the machine for both the stuffing cylinder and the lid lock, and then it is duplicated here for the right-hand side of the machine. So the air simply flows into the machine through the preparation unit and is split between the two valves.